Hey, welcome back from your run. Rituals and I created a nice complementary yoga sequence to stretch and lengthen out those muscles and to slow down from your run, so enjoy. So let's begin in a nice child pose to stretch those legs out and the back, the shoulders. Take a moment to settle in here and let gravity stretch those legs very gently. Take 2 breaths here. And on the next inhale, push yourself up into a nice downward facing dog. And in here, bend those knees one by one to really get that stretch out of those hamstrings and actually the whole legs. And on your next inhale, you place your right foot in between your hands, lower your left knee down to create this very intense stretch in your hips, the inside of your thighs. Your hips tend to become very stiff or very tense in running, so take a moment to stretch them out here. Five more breaths here. And really use that breath to push yourself lower, stretch those muscles out. Make them long again. And then from here, you can curl your toes under, pushing yourself back into that downward facing dog. And then from here, we'll walk towards the mat. Place your feet a bit wider from each other and lower your hips down. So you're in a nice yogi squat. For most people, they can't come down all the way, but just try to come as low as you can to really stretch those legs out. And if you want to, bring your hands in prayer position and push away your knees with your elbows. Now you're stretching the whole inside of your legs, the upper legs. Two more breaths here. And then place your hand back on the ground, walking yourself up to that downward facing dog, and take a moment to stretch your back, your arms, your legs. And look in between your hands, step in between your hands, and let's do one more squat. Just a short one to open those hips. And from here you can roll on your back. Get your towel and we'll do the last hamstring stretches. So roll it up, bring it on the sole of your feet. Let your left leg flat on the floor. And from here, take the towel in your right hand and let it drop towards the right side. And really try to pull that leg inwards. So we're opening up the hips here. We're stretching the hamstrings. And really make sure that the shoulders are still on the floor and your left leg is active. So it shouldn't be just laying there. And really try to pull that leg inwards so you create a stretch. One more breath here. Then use your next exhale to bring your leg all the way towards the other side and maybe grab the towel in your left hand and pull it in as much as you can to create this nice stretch. You will feel it in the inside of your hips, the outside of your hips and the hamstrings. And back, hugging it in. Changing the feet. So left side. Straighten the leg and bring it towards the left. And really try to pull it in. Moving towards the other side. So grab the towel in your right hand and bring it to the right. Pull it in. And feel the stretch in your feet as well, the soles of your feet. Coming back towards the center. And then hug those knees in for the last time. Wiggle from side to side to give your spine a nice stretch. And then you can lower your legs down and lay in a nice final Savasana. Or you can stop here in this sequence. I'm gonna stop here. I hope you really like this complementary yoga session after your run. I hope you feel very stretched out and enjoy the rest of your day. Namaste.